My dear friends, I'm going to teach you how you can develop a live project, a real life web application. If you are facing difficulties to develop a real life web application, here I am your friend Biswajit Mukherjee. I will show you. So I have been doing this since I have passed my class 10 examination. I had also developed many real life projects that I am going to demonstrate to you in this video. We are going to learn HTML, we are going to learn CSS, we are going to learn JavaScript, how to develop PHP application. Also the database MySQL queries. We are going to use the XAMPP server for having a database connectivity with the XAMPP server. That we are going to learn. And also we are going to learn the hosting. How can we incorporate our application in the cloud server? So everything we're going to learn part by part in many videos. For that, just you have to subscribe to my channel so that when I'm going to upload these videos, you will get the notification. Now, what is a real life application? Real life application, I am going to demonstrate you. Real life application is such kind of application which can be used in reality in the real working environment for solving purpose of any organization. It can be done in the real life with the reality of the project. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate one such application that I had developed for NILET Kolkata. NILET Kolkata is autonomous body under the central government. They had a requirement for that. I had developed a real life application for them that I'm going to demonstrate before you in this particular video. So my dear friends, I had developed this application for the NILET Kolkata center. As I told you, that is an autonomous body. So they had a requirement of developing a live project for solving the certain purpose. Their purposes were student registration, different kind of report generation, and also certificate generation. That was the main purpose. So for solving those purpose, I had developed this application in 2018. So, and the most important thing is that I was just reading in class 12 at the time when I had started to develop this application. In 2018 month of January, I had started to develop this application. For the initial stage, I just had taken about few months, maybe 2 months, you can say approximately 2 months that I have taken for developing the initial stage for this application. After that, they had started using this application, and after that they had given me many requirements. Those requirements I had kept on incorporating in this application for updating and adding more features to it depending on the requirements. And the important thing is that I had developed this application single-handedly. And so you can see this is a certificate which my software generates automatically depending on the data which had been provided through the front-end applet. So you can see this is a certificate. So they had a project during 2018. The period of 2018 to 2020, during these 3 years, they had a project with Webel. You can see NILET Kolkata collaboration with Webel. They had a project of training program which had been conducted in and around all IT park in the West Bengal. So for that, they had required a software. So I had developed this software for them which had solved their purpose. So as I told you, I was just reading in class 12 at that time. So it is a cake work. It's not very hard. Let me tell you, if you are reading in class 10 or class 12, still you can learn to develop web application. That is a real life project. You can learn to develop real life project. If you are in class 10 or class 12, it doesn't matter. If I could, then why can't you? So the important thing is that you just have to have the willingness to learn. I will teach you, my dear friends. For that, you just have to subscribe my channel. So this is the certification portion. So there are many other portions which I had incorporated in this application. So let me tell you again, I had developed this application single-handedly. There were no other person who had helped me. So NILET Kolkata is an autonomous body under the central government, and they were having an collaboration project with Larsen and Toubro, that is L&T. For that, the same application had been used. You can see I'm going to show you some of the certificate that my software can generate. You can see NILET Kolkata, and this is the logo of L&T. So you can see L&T Construction, Sirampur, West Bengal. So they were having a project with NILET Kolkata. Okay, training had been provided by the L&T, and NILET was a certificate body. So they were requiring this software which I had developed this application single-handedly. I had managed and updated everything. So from 2018 till 2022, the month of April, I had taken the responsibility, whole and soul, 100% responsibility to work on this software single-handedly. So they had earned lots of revenues depending on this application which I had developed for NILET Kolkata. Kolkata. So they were just dependent on this application to run their project. So I had got the skill and the experiences to develop a real life application. So I'm going to teach you that. So as I told you, I'm going to teach you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and MySQL queries, database handling with the XAMPP. Also I'm going to show you how we can upload the application in the cloud server, in the shared server, so everyone from the world, in any part of the world, can access your application. So everything I'm going to teach you for. You just have to subscribe to my channel. Okay, my dear friend, I had just demonstrated before you the certification portion of that particular project. So there were more than hundreds of features in that application, and that is not possible to demonstrate everything in a single video. So I just wanted to show you that I have got the experiences, I have got the skills, so that I can teach you easily. I had started developing such applications since I have passed my class 10 examination in 2016. Since then I have been developing such app. That is why I am telling you that I can teach you. So for that you have to subscribe to my channel, support me. So if you are in class 10 or class 12, doesn't matter. I had developed this application, as I told you, in 2018. So in 2018 I was just reading class 12. So my dear friend, so if I could develop this application without having any background, even that time I was not pursuing BCA. So after completing my class 12 in 2018, in the month of July, August, I had got my admission for the BCA. So that time when I had started, I was in class 12, I have successfully done this. So if I could, why can't? So you need to have the passion to learn. So this was my passion. So I have completed my class 10 and then I just started learning this. It became my passion. So I just had followed my passion. That is why I am telling you, my dear friend, to just subscribe to my channel